Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we will be breaking down the products in this video that we are discussing. Whether you are looking for this product or looking for a reference, we have it for you. Stay tuned to see our top picks and find out which one is right for you. All the links to find the best prices for all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. And grab the discount for you. Hit the like button to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. Don't worry anymore. I've chosen the most popular products, have high ratings and positive reviews from many buyers. All categories are complete, from daily necessities to items that make life easier. Basically, you'll save time and know right away which one is the best. Come on, see the recommended products. The products I'm discussing have reliable quality and have been proven to be widely liked. So, you won't choose the wrong one if you try this one. What's clear is that it's